Hey, this is Tobin at Virtual Storefronts, and we're doing technology without the work in 60 seconds, starting now. I want to show you our CBS News coverage for Tech Tuesday and our Yahoo Finance article, which is at our homepage right here. Virtualstorefronts.co is where our sales is. So the .co is sales, the .com is the app where the storefronts are hosted. Now, if we scroll down, this is our explainer, our 3-minute explainer. Now, if we scroll down below that explainer and we go here, this is you can watch this segment. So I recommend that you watch this segment. So that's a great coverage for us. And then I also want to show you, so you can go to our .co website and see that. And then I also want to show you, if you click here and open up this new window, that you can see our Yahoo Finance article as well. So we're getting some really good coverage, and we want you to check out the coverage that we're getting at Virtual Storefronts, which is getting traction and people are buying it at our buy page because it's technology without the work. It costs $199 per year and you do nothing, and we market for you on SEO.